Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Investor Tip Tuesday. The tip for today is don't kill the goose. If you've forgotten the story, let me give it to you briefly. A farmer goes out, finds out that his goose has laid a golden egg. Doesn't believe it's gold, goes and verifies it's gold. Every day after that, that goose lays a golden egg, and the farmer and his wife become fabulously rich. But greed sets in, and they decide they want all the eggs now. So the farmer grabs his axe, goes out, lops off the head of the goose, reaches in, and finds no eggs. They killed the golden goose. How does this relate to real estate? It's equity. Never touch your equity until your cash flow is beyond your cash flow goal. In other words, what people are doing is they're buying houses, they're buying apartment complexes, and when they sell, they get a big chunk of money and they go spend it. That's killing the goose. You don't want to kill the goose. Get that equity moved into other cash flowing real estate. You want to live off the cash flow, the egg being laid every day or month or annually, not off the equity. When is there an exception to this? Let's say that your bills are $5,000 a month and you have $10,000 a month in passive income. Double your bills. That leaves you $5,000 for your bills and $5,000 for travel, romance, and so on. You get it up to $12,000. You decide to sell a home? Sure, take that equity and go take a trip around the world or whatever you want to do. But don't ever let your passive income be less than double your bills. So at $12,000, if you sell a rent house and that takes $500 of your cash flow out, you're still at $11,500. You're still past your $10,000 goal. But don't sell so many that you drop below that $10,000 goal. That's killing the goose. That's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.